recommended and super tasty dessert, Brioche Cookie by Chef KARIM BOURGI. This brioche cookie has three parts. First, the fluffy brioche, the crunchy chocolate cookies, and the creamy filling of your choice. Let's start with pata brioche. This is Chef KARIM BOURGI's original recipe of brioche. Add all the ingredients in a mixing bowl except the butter. Pay attention to place the salt and the yeast parallel to each other. You can check my other vlog on how to achieve a soft and fluffy homemade brioche. I'll drop the link down below in the description box. When the dough pulls away from the sides of the bowl and becomes shiny and elastic, add in butter gradually, 1 tablespoon at a time, letting each tablespoon fully incorporate into the dough. Continue mixing on medium-high speed for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the dough passes the window pane test. Prepare the dough for fermentation process. Using the same bowl, douse in a bit of flour before putting your dough. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest for about an hour or double in size. Once dough has doubled in size, punch down to deflate dough completely, then recover with plastic wrap. Refrigerate overnight until you are ready to bake the next day. Grease your molder with the butter. Add some brown sugar. You can use any molder or even aluminum macking cups. As you can see, I also tried using ramekins. Just make sure that the molder you are using is at least 2 inches high because you will be cooking brioche and cookies inside. Remove the dough from the refrigerator. Using a weighing scale and a bench knife, divide the dough into 50-gram equal pieces. Roll each piece of dough into a tight bowl by cupping your hand over the dough and moving it in a circular motion with the fingers of that hand slightly tucked in. Gently place the dough in one of the prepared molds. Lightly press the dough to flatten. And let the dough rise until almost doubled in size and filling the molds. The second part of our brioche cookie is the crispy chocolate cookies. Using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment or a hand mixer, cream together the butter and sugar for your cookie dough until they are light and fluffy. It should take about 5 minutes on a medium-high speed. Add the eggs into your cream, butter, and sugar mixture. Mix just until combined. You have to make sure your butter and your eggs are at room temperature. Add in the baking powder, and then the flour. Once you add the flour into your dough, mix the dough as little as possible, just until the flour is absorbed. Overmixing your cookie dough can develop the gluten too much and can create tough cookies. So don't overmix. The last step is to fold in any assorted nuts of your choice. Again, be careful during this step to not overmix the cookie dough. Place the dough on a parchment paper and roll it into 4 mm thick. Reserve in the fridge to set and cut a round shape and place it on top of your brioche. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees and bake for about 12 minutes or until golden brown. Let it cool down and pipe in your favorite filling. It can be Nutella or chocolate fudge. Or how about you check out the recipe of my salted caramel filling, in which I actually use in this very tempting viennoserie. And voila! Brioche Cookie by Chef KARIM BOURGI. Full recipe is written down below in the description box. This mouthful 3-in-1 dessert will really make you forget all the negativity that's happening around us. From a crunchy and crispy texture of the cookie, to a fluffy and buttery flavor of brioche, ending with a creamy caramel filling, you will definitely fall in love with every bite. So for you, Chef KARIM, thank you very much for sharing this delectable and luscious sweet treats.